Fly like a bird. Think about seeing a bird fly across the sky. Its wings help it lift and soar higher and higher. Humans have often wanted to fly like birds. The airplane is one way that people can fly. But what if people want to fly without machines? Hang glider. A hang glider looks like a large wing. It has a hollow frame covered in a strong but lightweight fabric. The pilot is strapped into a harness under the frame. A control bar helps the pilot steer through the air. To launch, a pilot may run down a hill, or the pilot may run to the edge of a cliff and then jump. The reason for running is to allow the wind to catch under the wing and lift the hang glider up. To land, the pilot leans forward on the control bar. This helps guide the hang glider slowly down. The pilot touches down, feet first, and then runs until he or she can safely stop. A soft, sandy beach is a good place for hang gliders to land. Parasailing. Parasailing is floating or flying over water while wearing a parachute. The parachute is attached to a boat by a strong rope. As the boat picks up speed, wind catches under the parachute and opens it up. The person strapped to the parachute is lifted higher and higher. Gliding. Have you ever made a paper airplane? A glider flies in much the same way a paper airplane flies. Air currents lift the glider up and keep it aloft. A glider may look similar to a traditional airplane, but there's no engine. To launch, a glider is often towed behind another plane by a cable. Once the glider catches an air current, the cable is removed. To land, the pilot rides an air current down to an open, flat area. Birds make flying look easy, but hang gliding, parasailing, and flying a glider are dangerous activities. People must be trained to use the equipment and learn many safety rules in order to stay safe in the air and when landing. Fly like a bird.